What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jiv, back at it again with another banger video for you guys. In this video, I'm going to be just breaking down my trading strategy and my trading plan with you guys to show you guys step by step my thought process before I enter a trade using the SMC Pro indicator on TradingView. Before we get started, guys, I am doing a giveaway on this video, so stay tuned towards the end of the video so you can know how you can participate in this giveaway. That being said, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys found this video very helpful. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions or anything good to say. So that being said, guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, one of the reasons why it's important to have a trading strategy and a trading plan is you don't want to be trading in the dark and you don't want to be trading blind, because as traders, guys, when you take a blind trade and when you don't know what you're doing, guys, you're basically gambling. Like, if we could be honest, we're basically gambling if we're just taking random trades and hoping it goes the right way or whatever, right? But when you have a trading strategy or a trading plan, you have an edge in the market where you can utilize that plan to take precise trades, even though those trades might not win, or you might take a loss on that trade using your trading plan and your trading strategy. But on the long term, on the long run, you're gonna be profitable with that trading strategy. The reason why is because you're not taking blind trades or you're not trading in the dark. You have a plan, you have an edge. You just constantly executing trades with that plan. You will win in the long run, right? You will win long term. You would see a more profitable win rate than taking trades blindly and just randomly, right? That's not smart, guys. And as traders, you want to be smart. You basically want to treat your trading and your money and your capital as a business, right? You don't want to do risky moves where it's like you don't know what's going to happen or whatever. But trading, you want to know what you want to do, right? Let's take a look at the chart so we can go in details of what I'm talking about and how you could utilize this trading strategy and this trading plan to your advantage. So with that being said, guys, let's head over to the charts. So guys, as you guys can see on my left is the chart in this trade I took, and on the right we have basically the trading plan, right? The trading plan is 4 questions, right? 4 questions you want to ask yourself before you execute the trade. So we have questions and we have answers, right? You're going to ask yourself these questions and you're going to type in your answer, and depending on all your answers, you're going to come up with a conclusion of where you want to go with your basically your plan, right? Are you going to go bullish? Are you going to go bearish? Are you going to take long trade or are you going to take short trades? First, let's break down this trade. This trade was a 1.88 risk reward ratio. I took this long trade on USD JPY to this supply zone up here. Let's just go back to see how we could implement this trading plan, right? So if we just, zoom out a little bit, see what's going on. As we can see, guys, USD JPY, mitigate this supply zone up here. Let's just go back. So USD JPY mitigated this supply zone up here nicely and perfectly. And we did, it did a couple of pips down towards the downside. Let's just continue playing and just fast forward a little bit. Okay, all right. So as you guys can see, USD JPY went down here, did a major bearish momentum down here to create this swing low right at our demand zone, right? So at this point, it was around, I believe, Thursday, 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. I seen this move finish off, then it didn't completely go down all the way down, right? It didn't completely, it did break structure down here, but it didn't completely go all the way down. It rejected, create this swing low, and then it started creating some bullish momentum towards the upside. So around this time on Friday, I believe, right, I was watching the move on Thursday morning and Thursday night, stuff like that. So on Friday morning, I woke up around, let's say 5 a.m., 6 a.m., I believe. So let's just play the market so I could give you guys an understanding of why I took the trade and how my trading plan went along with that trade, right? So before anything happened, so yes, so around like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So I look at my trading plan, right? Before I even enter a trade or look for anything, right? I look at my trading plan. I'm asking myself, what is the 4-hour order flow? So if we go in the 4-hour time frame, let's go in the 4-hour time frame, and clearly we could see we are in a bullish order flow, right? As you guys can see, nice bullish order flow from this nice demand zone down here. So I already know, guys, this order flow is bullish. So what I'm gonna put for my answer is bullish order flow. All right. So now the next question in our trading plan is price at 15-minute premium or discount zone, or is price above or below 15-minute equilibrium zone? So let's head over to the 15-minute time frame, right? 15-minute time frame. All right, so is price at the 15-minute premium or discount zone? So in the 15-minute, we seen price went down here, created this swing low, created this discount zone for us, right? Our indicator already created the discount zone for us, indicating that, okay, price is above the discount zone, right? And the next question is price above or below the 15-minute equilibrium zone? The equilibrium zone is right here. You guys might have trouble seeing it, but it's this gray, dark gray box right here, right in the middle. So we have premium, equilibrium, and discount. So as you guys can see, price is right above equilibrium. So for those that don't understand premium and discount zone, premium zone is basically a resistance zone, and discount zone is basically a support zone, right? And the equilibrium is right at the fair price, right? So if price is above the equilibrium zone, the equilibrium now plays as a support for price to keep going up. If price is above the equilibrium zone, the equilibrium plays as a resistance for price to continue going down. So as you can see, price is above the equilibrium zone. So that's what we're gonna put, right? Because that's what we see. That's what we see. That's our edge. So price is above the equilibrium zone. Boom. We know that, right? Now the next question is, has the 15 minutes bearish or bullish order block been mitigated? So basically, for those that don't know what mitigated means, is in the 15-minute, has an order block basically mitigated that zone, right? So let's just do a little drawing for those that don't know. So let's just say this was our supply zone or our premium zone, right? And this is the market, right? Market did this, boom, created this nice supply zone right on top, and then price went again to mitigate it, boom, break it, and continue going down, right? Or doing this, right? So that will be as an order block, a bearish order block being mitigated. And if it was for bullish order block, that would be the same thing, just upside down, basically, guys. Right now, our order block would be this, right? We don't really have a confirmed order block, right? In some cases, you might have an order block, a nice order block, just waiting for you to get mitigated, or price has probably mitigated that order block. But in our case, we don't have that, so we're just going to leave it at NA, not available. Simple as that, right? Not available. If you guys in the comments see something differently, please let me know. All right, so now we're moving on to the next question, right? Is the 15-minute breaker structure bearish or bullish? All right, let's see. All the way from the swing low, we see breaker structures, right? We see breaker structures right here. Boom. We see a breaker structure towards the upside right here. And we have another breaker structure towards the upside right here. So boom. So now that's a good indication for us that price is bullish and we should be looking for bullish entries. So what we're gonna put, 15-minute breaker structure is bullish. So we're gonna say bullish, bullish, BOS, breaker structure. I love breaker structure, guys. So now, guys, we have answered the 4 questions. Now it's up to us to come up with a conclusion of what we looking for. So if we look at our questionnaires or on our trading plan, we have a bullish order flow in the 4-hour time frame. Price is above equilibrium zone. The equilibrium is playing as a support zone for us in the 15-minute. So that's a bullish sign. Has the 15-minute bearish order block or bearish or bullish order block has been mitigated. We don't have one, not available. Completely fine. Is the 15-minute breaker structure bearish or bullish? For me, guys, I am seeing bullish breaker structure. So now I'm looking for nothing else but bullish entries, right? So my conclusion would be in this analysis, right? This analysis, this trading plan is I am looking for bullish entries, right? I'm looking for bullish entries to go test this supply zone and premium zone up here. Simple. To touch our supply and premium zone. Okay, at 147.841. Right? So boom, guys, there you have it. Now all I'm looking for is a bullish momentum. Right now price is high, but we having some bearish candlesticks playing along. So what I did is just wait for price to touch our equilibrium just one more time so we can know for sure we have a form of support going our way and we're going for the upside, right? So let's play the market. Let's see what happens. Boom. And guys, let's just go back a little bit. And as you guys can see, right, if we just let the indicator plays out for us, right? And as you guys can see, the indicator shows the equilibrium. Price has bounced off the equilibrium zone. And we have a bullish fair value gap indication for us, which is this blue rectangle right here, indicating that price going up. I see bullish momentum. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take bullish entries, right? And that's exactly what I did. Price, let's see if it plays along, right? Boom, and as you guys can see, we were tapped in, right? We're tapped in, came down. We seen a little bit of drawdown. That's perfectly fine, right? Seen a little bit drawdown, went up, came back down to our entry to see some more drawdown, right? Just to scare us a little bit. Then price continued going our way towards the right side, right? Towards the way we wanted, and boom, we came out of profit nicely, safely, and we was able to, follow our trading plan, come up with a conclusion, come up with the analysis to come up with a conclusion to take the trade. And guys, as traders, that's all we want to do, right? We want to have a plan. We want to have an edge before we take the trade. We don't want to take the trade blindly and just trading in the dark. And that's why our community have this amazing tool to give us an edge, to give us an insight in the market of what's going on and how to be on the right side, basically, guys. That's it. Because we're gonna have some losing days, guys, and we're gonna have some losing days. But if we have our strategy in place, if we have our trading plan in place, and we're constantly following our trading plan, in the long term, guys, we're gonna see success. We're gonna have a longer, in a long run, profitable win rate, guys. And as traders, that's all we want. We don't want to be just taking L's and don't understand why we're taking L's, or taking wins and don't understand why we take the win, right? Now you're just gambling at this point. So, guys, like I said, guys, I hope you guys like this strategy. I want to show you guys how this strategy will be playing out on a bearish momentum on this pair too. Exactly, guys. So if we just look back, right? If we just go back, so guys, if we go back on USD/JPY around Wednesday, September 6, 2023, and we can see, guys, clearly we have that our indicator literally tells us, right? Tells us we have a supply zone. It created a supply zone, and we have our premium zone right now, right? So if you was looking for a confirmation of what's going on in the market, right? So you could be able to take a trade using the trading plan. This is how you'll go along with that, right? So let's play the market. We're gonna see what is 4-hour order flow, right? 4-hour order flow is clearly bullish, right? Bullish. It's priced at 15-minute premium or discount zone, or is priced above or below 15-minute equilibrium zone. So what we see, guys, is price is right under the premium zone, which is right at premium zone. Price is under premium zone. And guys, one thing about this trading plan, guys, it don't have to be exactly that same day, right? You don't have to execute on it, your analysis on your plan that same day. You could wait it out and see what the market do. You don't have to look for confirmation every time with the trading plan. Sometimes the trading plan might not have all the confirmation, but if you're patient, it's gonna come along, right? It's gonna come in place, play along, and for you to be able to see the move happening, see it matching, correlating with your trading plan, so you could be able to take the trade. So we let the price play along. Let's see if on the 15-minute is price, if this bearish order block, right, is gonna get mitigated. Let's see if this order block gonna get mitigated. Let's see. Boom, it's playing along. Boom, it got mitigated. So as we know, price on the 15-minute, the bearish order block has been mitigated. So let's say bearish order block. Boom. So now we know that, right? So the next question is the 15-minute breaker structure bearish or bullish? Let's see what the market do. Let's see. Okay, so we see that we have some form of breaker structure playing along. Let's see. Boom, we have one form of breaker structure right here. Let's just jot it down. This breaker structure broke right here. This structure broke right here. Then we have this structure broke right here, right? So we have a minor breaker structure towards the downside. Let's just zoom in a little bit. We have some breaker structure right here playing along. And guys, the cool thing about this indicator, we also have breakout trend line, right? We also have an indication for a breakout towards the downside using with our SMC Pro indicator. So we don't have the indication that price have bearish breaker structure. Let's say bearish. So now we could come up with a great conclusion, right? That price is or might continue going towards the downside according to what we see, right? Yes, price is bullish on the 4-hour order flow, but we have prices under premium zone, and which it respected that premium zone. We had a bearish order block that was mitigated, and we have bearish breaker structure. So in our conclusion, we could say right, so let's just say if we took a trade here, then let's see if we're gonna get stepped in, right? Let's just say we risking 20. I like, if I'm risking 20 pips, guys, I like to add just 1 pip above it, 1 pip on top of it, just to, like, you know, so we don't get stepped out, basically, guys. And let's just risk towards this discount zone, right? Let's see if we could hit that TP, right? Let's see if this trading plan is able to work on this setup right here. So even though we already know it already did, but I'm just showing you guys how you could utilize this trading plan on all type of market, bullish market, bearish market. Boom. Yes, we did get stepped out, guys, and that's okay, right? Depending on how much you're willing to risk. If you're not risking enough, you can get stepped out. If your SL is big enough, you can survive the. So guys, yes, this strategy might not work for everybody, and that's perfectly okay, guys. Not every strategy is gonna work for you. You just gotta find the right strategy that works for you. And for us, we have, for me as well, I have my plan, I have my trading strategy, and I have my edge in the market, which is the SMC Pro indicator that comes with multiple great features, right? Multiple great features for you to have an edge in the market, for you to execute your trades, right? We have multiple features in here, even such as alerts for you to get an indication of where market is at or what price has done with this indicator, right? Or whatever market you in. So that being said, guys, I did say I was gonna do a giveaway, and guys, to follow this giveaway, and all you have to do is just comment down FluidTrade, hashtag FluidTrade to be exact, hashtag FluidTrades, and just leave a great comment for me, guys. And that being said, guys, just comment down hashtag FluidTrade, leave a comment, and I'm gonna pick you guys as the winner on my next video. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll continue to make more videos like this, and hopefully I can live trade with you guys very soon. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Deuces.